For most of human history, practicing medicine meant looking at the surface. Doctors could observe broad physical symptoms, a fever, a rash, a cough, and apply general treatments, hoping the body would eventually heal itself. By 1866, scientists like Mendel proved that certain traits, and even specific diseases, were passed down through families. But the actual mechanism carrying those traits remained invisible to the medical world. Because physicians couldn't see the root cause of these inherited conditions, true cures were impossible. They were treating the effects without ever having access to the source. That changed in 1953. The discovery of the DNA double helix model proved that human health and heredity are dictated by a tangible, physical structure housed at the microscopic level. This visual shows how that structure works. It unwinds to reveal distinct, readable segments known as genes. This specific genetic code explains exactly how physical traits and characteristics are transmitted from one generation to the next. By isolating this readable code, medicine moved away from relying solely on external observation and became a precise internal science. Actually reading that internal code took another technological leap. In 1977, the introduction of Sanger sequencing allowed scientists to decipher DNA piece by piece. Over time, that sequencing technology scaled up into a massive international effort. Between 1990 and 2003, the Human Genome Project effectively mapped the entire human genetic code. The immediate result of having this complete map was diagnostic clarity. Doctors can now look at an individual's DNA and pinpoint the exact genes responsible for severe genetic disorders. This chart illustrates a healthy gene sequence, alongside one containing a specific genetic defect. Today, we use these distinct biological markers to diagnose conditions like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia with near-perfect accuracy. Because these defects are hard-coded into the DNA, physicians can detect them in a patient years or even decades before any physical symptoms emerge. Clinicians now use the genomic map to identify risks and intervene years before a patient ever feels ill. Genetics deals with the study of heredity, but it is equally focused on biological variation, the tiny differences that make each sequence unique. To understand how these genetic variations function safely, researchers rely on model organisms, like the fruit flies shown in these laboratory flasks. By altering their genes, scientists can map exactly how different sequences manipulate biological processes. This research revealed a crucial insight. Even slight variations in a genetic profile will cause different bodies to react in completely different ways to the exact same diseases and the exact same drugs. Here, you can see how this data filters a broad population into distinct treatment pathways based on their specific genetic markers. Doctors can now analyze a patient's unique profile to determine the exact drug tailored for their individual biology. Instead of giving the same dosage to everyone and hoping for the best, treatments are matched to the person. The traditional one-size-fits-all model of prescribing medication is obsolete. This shift toward individual data allows for medical care that targets the specific biological code of the person in the room. We have moved past simply reading and interpreting this genetic code. Modern science has reached the point where we are physically rewriting it. This capability is driven by recent breakthroughs like CRISPR and the rapid development of gene therapy. As the schematic shows, the technology acts as a molecular scalpel. It locates a defective gene, cuts out the flaw, and inserts a corrected sequence. Rather than managing symptoms, gene therapy permanently removes the biological error so it cannot be passed on. The application of genetics has shifted the healthcare landscape toward a model that is predictive, personalized, and curative. Understanding the molecular basis of inheritance provides the specific tools needed to address genetic errors that were once considered unchangeable.